The world of cryptocurrency is a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of innovation, speculation, and the occasional folly. Among the myriad of coins vying for attention, Solana has emerged as a particularly intriguing player. It's a name that has sparked discussions in both casual circles and serious investment forums, prompting a critical examination of whether it represents a groundbreaking advancement in blockchain technology, or if it risks being relegated to the status of a meme coin, a fleeting trend without true substance. At its core, the allure of Solana lies in its promise of speed and scalability. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have faced significant challenges in processing transactions quickly and affordably, Solana touts a unique proof-of-history mechanism that allows it to handle thousands of transactions per second. This capability positions it as a potential contender in the race to become the go-to platform for decentralized applications and smart contracts. Yet, as with any investment, the question arises, can we discern the genuine potential from the mere hype? The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, and Solana is no exception. Its price fluctuations have been dramatic, with sharp rises and equally steep falls. This volatility can often be a red flag, suggesting that a coin's value is driven more by speculation than by intrinsic utility or adoption. The echoes of past coins, like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, loom large as cautionary tales. These coins, once celebrated for their meteoric rises, ultimately faced harsh corrections that left many investors nursing losses. The fear of Solana following a similar trajectory is palpable, particularly given its rapid market capitalization growth, which can indicate a bubble waiting to burst. Moreover, the trading volume of Solana has raised eyebrows. A low trading volume can lead to a lack of liquidity, making it easier for price manipulation to occur. This susceptibility to sudden price swings can be a nightmare for investors who may find themselves trapped in a downward spiral of value loss. The specter of manipulation looms large in the cryptocurrency space, where a handful of actors can exert disproportionate influence on the market. This reality necessitates a cautious approach, urging potential investors to remain vigilant and informed. Beyond the numbers, the question of real-world adoption looms large. Solana has garnered attention for its partnerships and the projects being built on its platform, yet it remains to be seen how many of these will translate into widespread use. The cryptocurrency landscape is littered with projects that promised the moon, but ultimately delivered little more than vaporware. While Solana's technical prowess is commendable, the true test lies in whether it can foster a thriving ecosystem of applications that provide tangible benefits to users. Without this, the platform risks being viewed merely as speculative fodder, a trend that could fade as quickly as it emerged. However, amidst the cautionary tales and red flags, there are glimmers of hope that suggest Solana might be more than just another meme coin. The strength of its developer community is a promising sign. The influx of new projects and decentralized applications being built on Solana indicates a commitment from developers to leverage the platform's capabilities. This enthusiasm is crucial. A vibrant developer ecosystem can drive innovation and adoption, creating a self-sustaining cycle of growth and utility. The presence of notable backers, such as Sam Bankman-Fried, lends additional credibility to Solana's potential. His involvement signals that influential figures in the cryptocurrency space are investing their resources and reputations in Solana, which could help steer it toward lasting success. Yet, the dichotomy of Solana's identity persists. On one hand, it boasts impressive technology and a burgeoning community. On the other, it grapples with volatility and speculative tendency that could undermine its long-term viability. The reality is that while Solana may not fit neatly into the category of a meme coin, it certainly has characteristics that warrant caution. Investors must navigate this complex landscape with a discerning eye, weighing the potential for growth against the risks of volatility and speculative bubbles. Ultimately, the question of whether Solana is a meme coin or something more is not one that can be answered definitively. It resides in a gray area where innovation meets speculation, and the future remains uncertain. As we stand on the precipice of this new digital frontier, It's essential for investors to engage in thorough research, to look beyond the surface, and to consider the fundamentals that underpin any cryptocurrency investment. In this fast-paced world of digital assets, the temptation to dive headfirst into the latest trend is strong. However, the lessons of the past remind us to proceed with caution. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, those who take the time to understand the underlying technologies, the communities that support them, and the real-world applications they may foster will be better positioned to navigate the complexities ahead. So, what's your take on Solana? Is it a fleeting trend or a transformative player in the cryptocurrency space? The conversation is just beginning, and it will be fascinating to see how this narrative unfolds in the months and years to come. As always, informed discussion is key, and I invite you to share your thoughts and insights. Let's continue to explore this dynamic world together, armed with knowledge and a healthy dose of skepticism.